This is the BushingFix.com installation video for the 2007 and up GM full-size trucks. Also fits the 2006 and up Impala and quite a few others. Start by taking the bushing and setting it onto the cable in a way that the notched end will go onto the pin first when you put the cable back on the car. Take the installation driver and put it on top of the bushing, and if you've got strong fingers, you can squeeze it into place and then put the bushing back on the lever. If you don't have strong fingers or it's giving you a little bit of trouble, you can use slip joint pliers. And do the same thing as before and just adjust the pliers so they're at the right width. And you can gently squeeze the tool and the bushing into the cable end. And same as before, remove the driver and put the cable back on the lever. And that's it, you're done.